Welcome to your Make It Sweat cardio kickboxing workout with me, Rebecca-Louise, here at the beautiful Savannah Resort in Arizona. Guys, look at this place. Oh my goodness, you are in for a real treat. This is where we're gonna be doing our workout today. So we're gonna sweat, we're gonna feel the burn, and we are gonna feel amazing. That's what it's all about, is positivity and feeling great. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna get started at the back of our mat, okay? We're actually gonna take it all the way from, we're gonna lunge back. So we're gonna start at the front of your mat, we're gonna lunge all the way back, and then we're gonna kick it forward. So a little flick going forward. We're gonna start with that right leg. So keeping that chest lifted, shoulders are going down. You're gonna take a nice big lunge back, and then you're gonna kick it forward, and then tap that leg again right here. So here we go, 40 seconds on each side. Lifting up through the chest, squeezing those glutes, stand up nice and tight, and then pull that core in as you stand all the way up. So push down into that mat, and then flick it forward. Just a little flick. If you want to make it more challenging, you're going to flick forward, you're going to keep that leg lifted, you're going to take it all the way through to the back and take out that little tap. So either way, squeeze those arms nice and tight, bring it all the way through and push down into that supporting leg and kick it in front. So we're going to boost our metabolism today, we're going to boost our energy, we're going to feel incredible, boosting our mood, and we are going to go all the way through to the end. So anytime that you need to take a rest, just take a quick sip of water, try not to put it on pause, just keep on moving forward. Give me one more right here and release. Okay, taking it over to the other side. So just keep breathing, inhale and exhale. That's it. And you've got this beautiful view right here. Savannah, absolutely incredible. Guys, this hotel is amazing. I put all of the details in the description below. They have every type of yoga class you can imagine. Right, we're gonna take it over to the other side. We're gonna take it all the way down and then flicking it forward. So let's start off with that little tap from side to side. So bringing it forward, flick it, and then bring it all the way back. Here, squeeze that core nice and tight, extending that leg as far as you can. And now let's try a couple without tapping that foot down. So flick forward, hold that core nice and tight, bring it all the way back, and then kick forward. Nice work, everybody. Let's keep that momentum nice and strong. You can feel that one side is just a little bit easier than the other, okay? That's totally normal. You just have to work a little bit more on that supporting side. That just struggles a little bit, but that's completely normal. So push down into that leg, pull that core up nice and tight, flick it forward, and then release those shoulders for 3, 2, and give me one more and squeeze. All right, we're gonna take it into some fun little squat pulses with a front punch. So bring those knees nice and wide, legs wide. We're gonna take it in 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna punch forward. That's it, so 1, 2, 3, and then punch it forward. Pulling that core in nice and tight. All right, here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So 1, 2, 3, punch forward. That's it, pushing those knees out to the side. 3 little pulses, and then punch it forward. 1, 2, 3, and go. Now try and get down just a little bit lower. Pushing those hips back, booty down, knees are out to the side. 3 little pulses and punch. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and punch it forward. Now keep those fists right up by your chin, and then tiny little twists with those obliques as well, so we get that core engaged. 3, 2, 1, and punch it forward. Nice work. Come on, 10 more seconds right here. 1, 2, 3, and punch it. Come on, get a little bit more welly. I know that you've got it in there. Here we go, all the aggression, things that are frustrating you, let's just let it out right here and punch. All right, shake it out, take a quick sip of water. We're gonna take it into a curtsy lunge with a side kick. So we're gonna start off on that left side. So you're gonna curtsy lunge back, tap to the side, and then kick nice and high up to the sky. Squeezing those glutes and pulling that core up nice and tight. Let's work on that core strength. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pushing that knee out to the side, little tap right here, and then bending that knee as you're kicking out to the side. Now, as you go into that curtsy lunge, think about keeping that chest lifted nice and high, pushing that hip out to the side, tap down to the ground, and then kick it out. You're doing so good. Keep on moving your body. Even if you have to take a quick little break, just come back to it. Because right now, you are working on that strength. You're creating strength inside of your body in a physical way. And if you can remember this for the rest of the day, you can actually feel that your mindset is going to be stronger too, because you've proved yourself how amazing that you did in this workout. Here we go. Take it all the way down. Push that booty out to the side. Really working on those glutes for 3. Give me one more. Get that leg a little bit higher and release. Okay, we're going to take it over to the other side. Come to the center of your mat. Just take a nice breath in together. Inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out. Now smile. Because when you smile, you're actually going to make sure that you believe that you enjoy this workout more than you might actually do. So, a little trick for you. Here we go. We're going to take it to the other side. We're going to kick it out. Let's go for it. Push the booty out, tap down to the ground, and then kick nice and high as you get to that top. Push that booty to the side, tap, and then kick. You've got this. Stay focused. Because a lot of times we kind of start a workout and we might not finish it and then we fall off track. Now, honestly, that's why the BTS app is so great, because it's going to track your progress. It's going to track every single workout that you do. And it just feels good, right? When you just complete, you get tick marks. And guess what? You even get points on the app that you can spend in our store. So epic. You literally get rewarded for working out. Give me one more all the way down here. Squeeze those glutes, tap, higher kick, and release. Okay, quick sip of water, everybody. We're going to take it into a fun little fourth stance with a punch going forward. All right, so we're going to go hooks and then we're going to go undercuts. So legs going to be in like that fourth position stance. So basically one toe at the front of your mat, the other foot side to the back, and we're just going to hook it round. That's it. So pivoting from side to side. Now get a little bit lower, pull that core in nice and tight. 40 seconds each side. Breathe. Here we go. You're doing so good, everybody. Just think about twisting that core and everything is engaged. Now give those arms a little bit more of a welly. That's it. Come on. You can do a bit more than that. I know that you've got a bit frustrated the last week. Something has, happened for you and you're like, oh my goodness, I just need to let some aggression out. Right here is the place to do it. Not beating yourself up, but just getting a good workout in to boost your mood, get your adrenaline going and feeling incredible. That's what it's all about, right? Because we say it's 20% is the fitness, 80% is the nutrition, but 100% is that mindset. All right, we're gonna take it over to the other side. So, your right foot this time is going to be just your toe kind of pointing over the top of your mat. The other one is going to be square at the end. You're going to sink down nice here and we're going to take it in undercut. So just a nice little pivot from side to side. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So undercut, twisting from side to side. That's it, breathe. Whew. Inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. That's it, you got this. Now breathe, pulling that core in nice and tight. Think about those obliques working with every single twist. You are bringing that elbow straight underneath. That's it. And give yourself a smile. You're kind of giving yourself a yes move, right? You're like, yes, I got this. Tell yourself I've got this with every single move. Sometimes we want to stop the workout. We want to press pause because we don't think we have the strength. But I'm telling you today, we do have the strength. We're going to go all the way through to the end. Nobody is going to quit on me. We're at this beautiful place and we're going to work out together for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, here we go. We're going to take it into a front kick with a side lunge. We're going to start off with that right leg. Let's come over to the left side of the mat. And you're going to kick it forward and then you're going to lunge out to the side, pushing that booty back, knee is out to the side. So tap it back here, give me a nice big kick and then pushing that knee out to the side and squeeze. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kick it forward, push that knee out, tuck that hip under. Here we go. Looking so good, everybody. And breathe. Well done. How are you going to get through this? You're going to get through this by just telling yourself, I can. When life happens for us, it's just the universe testing us and saying, you are ready for the next level. And you get to decide if you pass that test. Are you going to pass the test? The answer is yes. You just have to keep on showing up and show up with great energy, as that's going to help you get through the tough times. Here we go. You got 10 more seconds right here. Keep this momentum going. You can do this, even if you're getting a little bit wobbly sometimes. Create that strength. Give me one more and release. Okay, shake it out. We're going to take it all the way through onto the other side. So let's move over to your right hand side of your mat. Take a nice big breath in together. Exhale everything out and the same thing. So front kick with that left leg and then you're going to take it out to the side. Really think about working that booty and push it out. All right, shake it out. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kick to the front and then squeeze out to the side. That's it, little tap. Now if you want to make it more challenging, guess what? You take out that tap, kick it all the way forward and then out to the side. All of these exercises, you can make it more challenging every single time that you show up. So if you don't want to tap that foot right here, pull that core in nice and tight, give yourself that big kick and then push it out to the side. Here we go. You are halfway there. Inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out. Come on, really push it out to the side. Kicking it nice and high. You're doing so good, everybody. Well done. Keep squeezing. You got 10 seconds. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more kick and release. Woo! How did you feel? You feel alive, right? You feel ready to go. Well, guess what? I've got so many more workouts here on my channel. So first of all, make sure that you subscribe and then check out the rest of the workouts I have for you here. There are so many. Everything that you need is right here on this channel. Get connected. Make sure that you sign up for our free program. We have a free newsletter, free challenges every single month. They're unbelievable and it's all for you. All right, guys, great job today and I'll see you on our next routine. Bye, everybody.